I'm telling you, this is really a very nice product that I will enjoy using. I love it. It doesn't weigh the hair down. Let's talk about a product today. This is a brand new product by Envy. You'll find it at Wig Studio One. I'll put the product links below this video. It's called Get Dressed Invisible Texturizer and Shine Dimmer. Envy specializes in a very beautiful synthetic, full synthetic fiber. So sometimes those can come across a little shiny, especially on blondes. We're gonna check this product out. I am wearing the new Envy's Marcia in Champagne Shadow. And this color is a bit shiny right out of the box, which some, like I say, some synthetics can be. And depending on what light you're in, it can really reflect light and really exacerbate that shine. So this product to me is just an invisible dry shampoo product. And it gives you all the effects of the dry shampoo without the talcum. A lot of dry shampoo products out there have a bit of talcum powder in it, and that creates that powdery look on your wig styles. You have to really make sure that you shake it out really well after using it, or else you'll get that powdery feeling, and it flakes. Plus, I do like the fact that it's free of any sulfates, sodium chloride, parabens, phthalates, silicones, and talc. So it's free of all of those things. I know a lot of people have a sensitivity to ingredients. So this is still a flammable product, and it does contain a bit of alcohols. So the first is that isobutane propane SD alcohol. The instructions say, shake the bottle and spray a light mist and style to the desired finish and texture. Now this one isn't overly shiny, but let's see if we can see a difference. I don't know if it's gonna come across on camera or not. So I'm just gonna give it a shake. And a light mist from about 12 inches away. It goes on dry. Okay, I can see where it does inhibit shine. And it does that by coating the fiber and sort of breaking up how the light hits the fiber. So it's going to reflect light in a little bit different way to reduce shine. I love this actually. It goes on and dries immediately. So definitely a reduction in shine just because it's coating those fibers. It does so without any residue or weight added to the hair. So let's see about texture. Now, typically what I do with a product like this is I lift the hair so I can spray the root a little bit and hold it upside down or get up under it so that it retains a nice lift and texture. So what I'm looking for in a texturizer are all of those things. Plus, I want it to separate because that really makes it look wispy. So let's give it a try. Actually, I'm gonna try it where it's really smooth up here too and see what kind of effects we can get. I am a really sensitive person to scent, and that has a strong scent, guys. So just so you know, it tends to dissipate quickly. It is more of a vanilla musky type scent, but it is a scent. Okay, it dries immediately, and there is a slight holding effect. Look at the texture I can bring out just by spraying the root. I am shocked because this is straight and flat on the top, and I like a little contour. So I'm going to put a little more on the top here on the other side. With texture, you want to enhance the layering, right? The layers are there, you just want to bring it out a little bit more. So I suggest that you use this product layer by layer. Start at the root. If you're using it to texturize, like I am here, wow, look at the difference. So it coats and surrounds that fiber in a way that helps me mold and shape. It dries instantly. There's absolutely zero residue. Okay, look at this. You knew how flat it was in the beginning. I am really shocked. I am shocked at how well this works. My goodness. All right, I am loving this wig now. The style, when I reviewed it, I thought to myself, it's just too flat on the top. What am I gonna do? It's not heat friendly. It's not responding completely great to just the heat of my hand. This is the solution. I love it. It doesn't weigh the hair down. When you get a product that leaves residue or weighs the hair down, it attracts dirt and it requires you to wash that wig a little more often. We all know that puts a little wear and tear on the style. It dries complete in seconds. It has a stronger scent. It's not a bad scent at all. It's just that I'm a little more sensitive to perfumes and scents. So let's see here. There's absolutely no shine on my hand. Most products like this, you can get a little bit of shine until it dries. That's dry immediately upon application. And there's no stickiness. There's no talc. There's no sense of this product that's lingering. All you get is this texture and a little bit of hold. Look at that. I'm telling you, this is really a very nice product that I will enjoy using. Yeah. This is a little bit of a miracle here because of the other products that I have tried. Again, I'm sorry to beat this drum, but the other products I have tried, they do leave a residue. They do have a slight waxy feeling. You can tell there's something in the hair. And especially with some of the sea salt sprays, you really have to wash it to get that out. I'm really amazed with this product. I did not expect it to perform as well as it did. Check it out at Wig Studio One, all of the links below. What are your thoughts on this? Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon right back here at TAZSWIG Closet.